Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to a new video. We're gonna try something new today, and that's we're gonna try something new today, and that's a study with me, or like a productive day in the life video. It's currently like 9:17 p.m. I don't know if you can read that, but yeah, it's like super late. However, hey, what's up, Mika? Mika, I do have a midterm on Wednesday, so I've been kind of staying up late and grinding the textbook and stuff, but I want to give this little bad boy a run for its money. This is a new iPad mini, so yeah, I was using this guy before. This isn't mine, it's my university's. I checked it out, but this is a full-size iPad Pro. Recently Apple released this last Friday, so I was kind of going to show you how I use it in my day-to-day affair and everything. So yeah, by the way, here's my room. I don't know if I've showed you guys yet, but a desk, got a painting, that's where I sleep. Got some books, and yeah, but I go to the library though because I need to get some late night studying in, so yeah. I've been using the flip phone these past few days. I know I just released a review of the Jelly 2, but because of midterms and stuff, I'm just trying to go like super hard because I really want to do well in this class. So yeah, flip phone, basically everything blocked, and iPad mini. That's what I've been carrying around. Bruh. Ooh.
Marriott Lippert, this is Luke.
Oh wait, never mind, sorry. Someone's coming. Thank you. Do you guys have any breakfast burritos?
Yes, I do. What kind of breakfast?
Can I have a super combo?
Okay, anything else?
No.
Anything else?
No. Hello?
Yes, what else?
No, that's it.
Alright, come with the window, please.
Thank you. She seems upset. Now is it me or is that window Not there. Hold on. Let's fucking go. Dinner is served. I will eat this and tell you about my experiences with the iPad right after. Okay, so I finished my dinner. I rewatched some of the clips of this video, yo, and I'm like, I'm surprised you made it this far. But to reward you, I guess I will show you my room because I realized I didn't do like a adequate job at all at the start. So here's my desk. I don't know why I'm talking like that. I just have a laundry hamper. That's my desk. MacBook hooked up to 24-inch monitor. That's my keyboard that I used from the last time. Duck Blackbird, and got some burrito grease right there. I need to clean it up after recording this. The tripod, yes. Those are my ThinkPads. Here's a cool painting that I bought from a local artist. It's really cool. There's some people down there, and then there's this lady and that dude and this ox. So yes, I got my electric longboard. Yes, that's actually where I sleep. Ready for all the gay jokes? Go ahead and make them. But yes, I am a pretty tall dude, but I guess I can fit just fine in this small ass closet. So I actually like sleeping on the floor. Yeah, just got some clothes. That's where little Mika hangs out. Hey, she's just chilling. Got some socks. Don't mind the trash and whatever the stuff is. Mirror. Got a fan. Here is my chill corner. It's got some books, and here's a laptop. Just take notes on those books if you need them. I got a lamp. Pomodoro timer. This one's cool because it doesn't have digits. It just has like a little blue circle that slowly goes away. I find that works better for like reading and meditating and stuff, whereas like one with actual countdown digits is better for studying. That's just my preference. So yeah, I think in the future I'll make a better video about this room, but I think right there I'm trying to get like a replica Herman Miller Eames chair. I think it would look really good right here, and then maybe like an actual bed. But yeah, I need to get some plants. They're all empty right now, but at least Mika seems to like it. Isn't that right, Mika? Alright, on to the iPad. Okay, so regarding the iPad, this isn't like an actual review or anything. This is just like my first impressions because I've only been using it since Friday, and it is Monday, 3 days later. It's not Monday, it's Sunday. 2 days later. Okay, let's talk iPad mini. The iPad mini is for small people. No, it's not. The iPad mini, I got it because I wanted to take digital notes in classes, but I also didn't want to pay for an iPad Pro. And the regular iPad, the Apple Pencil, is stupid because it's the first generation one that plugs into the lightning port. So iPad mini. I don't know, I think it's too small. This thing is actually like minuscule, yo. This is the ProPad I, and that's the iPad mini. it looks a lot bigger on camera, but like the bezels are the same size on both of them, so it just looks like really disproportionate to me, and it feels that way too. Like if you look at a lot of the apps on the screen and stuff, they just don't look like they're designed for such a small little device. It kind of benefits you to have more real screen real estate. I mean, you can't multitask on it, you can barely take notes on it. I think it's definitely more for like content watching, like watching YouTube videos and Netflix and stuff, or like for little kids who want to play games at the restaurant because their parents don't know how to talk to them. But like as far as like college student, I'm not like a digital notes kind of person. I usually prefer taking handwritten notes. And the reason that I'm using an iPad mini this semester is because 2 of my classes are mostly the slides and diagrams, and like one lecture will have like 70 or 80 slides, and it's a pain in the ass to like hand write everything because there's just so many pictures you gotta draw out and you gotta write out code by hand. So iPad mini, or digital notes in general, like handwriting on the slides that are used in the lectures, makes the most sense for those types of classes, right? So like I don't want to have to use digital notes. I'd rather save my $450. Like you kind of have to do that, take notes that way for these classes. I think I could make do for the rest of the semester, but like if I was more serious about digital notes and like I was using them for more classes and stuff, I think I would definitely offer the larger iPad Air or iPad Pro. So as far as how I use this thing, I just have like my slides from the lecture, and I use OneNote because I just kind of prefer the interface the most. I tried like Notability and the other one, GoodNotes or whatever, but yeah, basically you just like go through hella slides and mark them up as you watch the lecture. There's a gajillion slides, and this is just one lecture, and as you can see, the iPad, you know, kind of zooming through stuff right now. So I will also say this, because I'm left-handed, like when you put your hand on the tablet to write, I don't know if you can tell, but it's like this camera bump is not flat, so when you put your hand on it, like wobbles. I don't like that shit, because like when you're moving your hand up and down and you can feel it, it just doesn't feel very, you know, solid. If I was right-handed, it doesn't happen, because I'm stupid. It bounces up and down, so basically what I do is I just lay it on top of a notebook, and that kind of dampens that metal on whatever this thing is noise. So that's also something to keep in mind if you're left-handed. Okay, so let's talk about the iPad. I don't want to be like pessimistic or anything, but it's kind of shit. Okay, that was a bit much, but like, okay. I pay $450 for it because I'm a student, so you get a discount. And for $450, at least for my use case, all I needed to do is to take notes for like classes. It would take infinite years to take notes by drawing out all the slides or drawing out all the diagrams. So like the only realistic way to take notes in some of those classes is to like mark up the slides that are used in lecture. And like this thing is $450, but you can't multitask on it. So like you can't have like your notes on one side and your browser on the other side. Would I recommend this device for students who are in my exact shoes? No. I think if you do want to get a more functional device, probably the best bang for your buck, like one would be the iPad Air. Not that I've had one myself, just based off reading the specs. You can do your own research on it, but I kind of wish I had gotten a larger device. And I see a lot of people, like other students and stuff, who seem to really like it. But for me, I wish I had just spent like a little bit more and I've gotten like a larger device. And this is coming from someone who uses like small devices on a regular basis, you know. I use a 3-inch smartphone and a 12-inch laptop. So I'm like used to using little devices, but I mainly use this thing as a piece of paper, and just as a piece of paper, it's too small. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and continue studying.